Don't let somebody else come tell you something is worth something else tomorrow when you knew you had the opportunity to put your money in it. Saving money is actually not going to make you rich. It's going to make you poor. When I was young, I used to think like saving money was everything, because I used to have that mentality that money is something that you should keep. And when you keep money, it's going to multiply. Now that's really immature. Let me tell you how it goes. This doesn't apply to everybody, but it almost applies to everybody. And with years of experience, I know I can tell you something about it. When you save $500,000 today, what that $500,000 can buy today, it can't buy in the next 3 years. So you have to put your money where it's going to multiply. I know you've heard about the compound effect, because what most people do is they make the mistake of thinking they cannot invest right now because they're too broke. They cannot start this company because they're too broke. Or they can't start this online business because they're too broke. Y'all are so afraid of investing in stocks. If you're in a country where you have the opportunity to invest in stocks or index funds, you have to do it. Because I don't think it's risky at all like people think it is. It's not gambling if you really know what you're doing. So you have the internet. You have to go online and see how you can learn about investing in stocks or putting your money where you know you understand. I'm not saying go put your money in crypto or go put your money in Forex. If you know how to trade, it's a good investment, but you obviously need to know what you're doing. But I prefer the investment whereby things are going to multiply as time goes on. So right now you can't buy an Apple stock or you can't buy Amazon stock. It's because when you buy Amazon stock, you need to buy a large amount of Amazon stock or you need to buy a large amount of Apple stock before it multiplies the way you want it in the next 5 years, or let's say in the next 10 years. And these investments are investments that you forget about. Many youth think they just have to invest today and get the money tomorrow. No. If you work in a 9-to-5 and you are really earning, you really need to prioritize that. Like investing in things that you know you're not going to have any business to do with in the next 3, 5, 6, 7 years. Because all this investment, you can't rip the profits off it right now. They need to compound. It could be anything, but I guarantee you, like if you put your money in stocks or new stocks, new companies, online businesses, or even your friend that's starting a new business and then you just want to chip in some money, just make sure you know what you're doing and you know where you're putting your money into. The first thing you do is you make research. That's what every billionaire and every millionaire does. Even Warren Buffett knows where he puts his money before he starts investing. So you have to invest right now before it's too late. I regret why I haven't been investing my money into stocks or index funds or crypto or whatever. You know what Bitcoin is worth right now. Don't let somebody else come tell you something is worth something else tomorrow when you knew you had the opportunity to put your money in it. It's not a gamble. You just have to know what you're doing and where you're putting your money into. So please invest. It could be anything. And if you like topics about finance, growth, and money, just subscribe and we will be making money together. This is my journey, and thank you.